Hi, I'm James. I'm the CEO of EBC Brakes, and for the last year we've been doing a Fiesta, the ultimate Fiesta project, building up a Fiesta with many partners around the UK, lots of performance parts, and we decided at the beginning of the adventure to give the car away via dream car giveaways for charity and Rays of Sunshine. And with me today I've got Jo from Rays of Sunshine, and I'd like to present her a cheque here for £21,901.50.
A huge thank you to everyone at Rays of Sunshine. After such a difficult year, this is really going to help us in brightening the lives of so many more seriously ill children all across the UK.
Thanks for coming today, Jo, to get a cheque.
Thank you.
Cheers.